So the attacks that have taken place since October on our forces, on our personnel, in both Iraq and Syria, have been conducted by groups that are aligned with Iran, and indeed are supported by Iran, funded by Iran, equipped by Iran. And I would note that the presence of our forces in both Iraq and Syria has nothing to do with Gaza, nothing to do with the conflict that's taken place since October 7th. It's the horrific attacks by Hamas, and everything to do with making sure that ISIS doesn't reemerge. That's why they're there. Something that Iran should share as an interest, but on the contrary, the groups that are aligned with it have been conducting these attacks. And as I mentioned, we do not seek conflict with Iran, we do not seek war with Iran, but we have and we will continue to defend our personnel and to take every action necessary to do that, including responding very vigorously to the attack that just took place. And as I mentioned, I'm not going to get ahead of where the President is. I'm certainly not going to telegraph the response, but as I mentioned, that response could well be multi-leveled. It could come in stages, and it could be sustained over time.